What is up, YouTube? This is Devo, and this is going to be how to make a Discord bot with Discord.js. So yeah, let's hop right into it. Alright, so the first thing you guys are going to need is Visual Studio Code. So just go to this website. I'll link it in the description. You're going to want to download either Mac or Windows. So you just select it, and it should download. Once it is finished downloading, you guys are just going to want to load this up. And you want to go through the entire, install process, and I'll be back once I have done this. Alright guys, once you guys have finished downloading, what you guys are going to do is come to this website, which I'll also have in the description, called Node.js. You're going to want to download the current version, which right now is 13.7.0. Just going to want to click it. It will download. We're also going to want to run this, and I will be back once it is done downloading. Alright, once you guys are here, you guys are want to hold down shift, and you are going to want to right click. Make sure you guys do hold down shift, or this will not pop up. Open PowerShell when you're here. You guys want to type in npm init, hit enter, and just wait for this to load. Now once this loads, you want to type in whatever you want your name to be, so tutorial-bot. Make sure you guys do not have spaces, or else this will not work. 1.0.0 description: a bot made by Devo. You can make that whatever. Index.js. Now if you want your index.js file to be bot.js or whatever, just rename this to bot.js. Enter. Leave this blank. You can put Devo. Leave that blank. Enter. Now, yes. Once this load, npm install discord.js --save. Make sure you have --save. That will just come in handy later. Enter. And just let this load, and I will come back once this has loaded. Alright, now once this is loaded, you guys will see there is a bunch of things here. You're just going to want to, actually, you can just close out of this. You're going to load up this. Alright guys, now once Visual Studio Code has loaded, you guys want to go up here, File, Open Folder, pick your folder, select, and you're just going to let the folder load up on the side. Alright, now once this is loaded, you guys are going to want to make a file called botconfig.json. Enter. Now you guys want to put curly brackets. Enter. First thing you guys are going to do is you want to put token. You want to put the semicolon, and then this. Alright, now you guys want to go back to the Discord development portal, and as you guys can see, token right here. You just want to copy that. You want to paste it in here. You want to put comma. Now the next one is going to be prefix. Oops. Prefix. And then semicolon. Now I'm going to just make the prefix, exclamation mark. You can make it anything. You can make it this. You can make it this. You can make it this. You can make it anything you guys want. You could honestly even just make it like this, like that. Anything you guys want. I'm gonna just make it exclamation mark, and then you guys are gonna wanna make sure you guys go to File, Save. Now once you guys are here, you want to make another one, index.js. Okay, now once we are inside of index.js, we are going to want to const botconfig equals require. So since the bot config is inside the same folder, we're just going to do one dot and slash botconfig.json. Alright, now we're going to put the we're going to do const discord equals require discord.js. Oops, sorry about that. Alright, now once we have that, we're going to want to do a const bot equals new discord dot client. I'm going to do disable everyone true. Once we do that, we're gonna do one. Anyways, now once we're here, we're gonna want to do bot.on ready async. These I'm gonna do an arrow function. All right, now here we're gonna do console.log. This you're gonna do the tilde key. Yeah, you want to do the tilde key. What are these? Bot.user.username is online. Okay, now you want to do bot.user.activity. So what this is going to do is it is going to set the status of the bot. I'm going to just do let's see. I don't know, tutorial bot. And then you're want to do this, what are these? Type. So you can do, you know, watching, playing, streaming. I'm gonna do streaming, just like this. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to do bot.on message async message arrow function. Alright, now if message.author.bot, we're gonna want to do one of these. This is going to, it's pretty much like a, you know, or function. Message.channel.type equals DM. We're just going to do a return. Now we're going to do a let prefix equals bot config dot prefix a let message array equals message dot content dot split. We're just gonna put a space. Let cmd equals message array 0. Then we're also going to do a let args equals message dot array. Not message dot array, just message array dot slice 0. Now once we have done that, we are going to go down. We're going to want to do a if. See, so this is gonna be like a just command. If cmd equals the tilde key again, this a prefix, okay, and then hello. Then we're gonna want a then return message dot channel dot channel dot send hello. Now once we finish all that, we're going to do the most important thing, bot.login bot dot just bot config, sorry, dot token and end. Okay, now make sure you go file, save, and I will see you back at the folder. Okay guys, now once we're back at the folder, actually it'll probably be easier to do it straight through here. You want to do a new file, start-bot.bat. Now you want to do node index.js, and then right after that you want to put pause. You want to go up here and save. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to want to start the bot. As you can see, tutorial bot is online. And now we're going to go to the Discord. Alright guys, I forgot about one of the most important things. So what you want to do, I'm going to also have this link in the description. You want to go here, and now when it says right here, client ID, you're going to want to go back to over here, general information, copy that client ID, go up to here, and where it says client ID right here, you want to put that, hit enter, and then select your server. Mine's right here, authorize. I'm obviously not a robot. And yeah, now you can load up Discord. Okay, guys, now once you guys are inside of your Discord, I'm gonna just give my bot the role on my server. So you can, as you guys can see, live on Twitch, playing tutorial bot. And if we do exclamation mark hello, let's see, what did I do wrong here? Bot font big. Alright guys, that is my fault. Looking back through the code, I had spelled bot config wrong right here. Make sure you guys do not spell anything wrong. Yeah, so you want to go file, save. I'm going to restart the bot. Tutorial bot is online. Now as you can see, playing tutorial bot, if you do exclamation mark hello, it will say hello. That's gonna be the end of the tutorial. If you guys would like more tutorials on other commands, make sure to like the video and join the Discord in the description if you guys need any help. And I think that's been it. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.